How to change a Snapchat password. Hey there everyone, welcome back, and today I'll go ahead and show you how you can easily change your Snapchat account password. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change your Snapchat account password, simply go and open up the Snapchat application from your Android or iPhone. And from the Snapchat homepage, or you just need to go to the chat section and then go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. Now, once you're here inside your profile, tap on the settings option at the top right. Now, once you're here inside your Snapchat settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the option password. You just need to tap on this. Now, this is going to quickly give you the option to enter the password. So you just need to enter your new password and you just need to confirm the password. And once you have typed in your new password twice, go and tap on save and your Snapchat account password will be immediately changed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.